Hey, what's up guys? This is Maluma. We're here in my house, Medellín, Colombia. This is my sanctuary. I hope you enjoy it. I'm enjoying it a lot in this quarantine. I've been here for a long time. So come here and have some peace with me, okay? Maluma baby, yeah. I've been here for 3 years already. It feels great to be at home because I'm always touring. So now that I've been here for almost 3 weeks, it feels amazing to be here and enjoy my house. I needed this time in my life to enjoy and see all the things that I've been building for a long time. I have here my fireplace, one of my favorite places where I love sitting down with my family and talking with them. The most beautiful thing about Medellín or Colombia is that we have a lot of nature, right? So I always wanted to have a house where you can feel outside being inside the house. That's why I wanted to have so much glass. My routine, it's very easy. I'm not too complicated. I take my elevator that you can see here, my elevator, right? I go down, right? I come here. I say hi to everyone here in the living room, which is empty right now. I come here to the kitchen. I talk to the chef because I'm always hungry, right? But I like doing my own coffee. That's what I like, doing my own coffee. So I have this little coffee machine here, right? I love Nespresso too, but I don't have it here. I forgot it on the plane and everything is closed right now. So I have to make the coffee here in this little machine, right? All these are Colombian coffees. All of these are Colombian coffees. It's my favorite. It's not because I'm Colombian, right? But my favorite coffee is Colombian. Then I take my coffee, right? I'm gonna show you my cup. That's something special that I want to show you. I have a lot of coffee cups, right? I have these fancy ones, right? It's not that I love it, to be honest. But they're kind of cool. But I have these that they are my favorite. I have this with my sister and the first dog that I had. Then I have this one that has my first letter J, Juan. I have this one that is with my mom, this picture with my mom. And then I have this one. There is a picture with my dad. So you can see it here. Then I take one of these cups, I have my coffee, I go out, I see how beautiful this is. Look at that, green all around. So that's like the first things that I do as soon as I wake up. Sometimes I come here, well, it's not happening now because of all the situation, but sometimes I come here and there are some fans that they like to drive around my house. There's a little street over there and they stop the car and they put the music so loud, all my songs, and they start screaming and singing my songs over there in that little corner over there. So it's special. I like it. It's a good way to wake up. Listening to your music and listening to your fans, that's cool. This is my piano. I always wanted to play piano. To be honest with you, I don't play piano, but I have a bunch of friends that they come here to my house and they love playing the piano. And we sing here, we write songs here. So this is a very, very, very important thing in my house because it's one of the most creative spaces that I have here. I love to be surrounded by art. As you can see here in my living room, I have this horse that a friend of mine gave it to me, Mexican friend. This art is called Huichol art. So yeah, I love this art because it has 1,800,000, how do you say this? Shakiras? Yeah? Like these little things, you see? So it's a very, very important piece for me because I love horses too. As you can see, I have another horse there that a friend of mine painted for me. So yeah, everything around my house is full of art, right? Because I need to feel that artistic vibe, right? To keep working and keep writing my songs. Everything is so green here. You can see this is for sure the most beautiful view in my house, because as you can see, there are like some houses over there, but it's super private. So when I come here and I start playing the piano with my friends and singing with them, I come here and I start writing my songs. So it's a very important place for me. I would say that this is the most important place to be inspired around the house. The Cambuche is a place that is the coziest place where you can be with your family or friends. And this is the Cambuche. We just put a bunch of pillows and a big rug on the floor. And we just love to play Uno, Jenga, all of that there. So that's called, in Colombia, that's called Cambuche, right? I don't know if you guys do it in America, but here in Latin America, we love doing cambuches. All right. I try to have plants everywhere in my house. As you can see, I have some of them here. Also, I'm gonna show you more here. This quarantine, of course, is very important to have some life inside the house. This is like the training place right here. I have the gym over there. I love working out. Actually, I was about to work out, why you guys call me, and I love this call. I have some functional machines over there, bench. This is a very technological machine that I got. It has like an iPad over here, and there's always like a teacher, like a coach, always training with you whenever you need it. I have this functional machine too here. It's very, very nice because I can work every part of my body. And as you can see, I'm a huge fan of soccer, right? So I have a lot of shirts. This one, Messi gave it to me. This one, the Kun Agüero, Luis Suarez, Dybala, he's from Argentina too. David Ospina, there's a Colombian player. Ronaldinho, Neymar. It's like very inspiring for me because I know that they dedicate their life to the sports, right? Because they're athletes. So for me, it's very inspiring to have them over there and see that they make their life training and working out every day. Now that I can go anywhere, I can run around the house. So I'm very grateful. I'm very honored to have all these machines inside my house because I can work out here perfectly. This is funny because when you come here, you find this blackjack or poker table, right? And I like it. I'm not a big fan. I don't like gambling, but for me, it's like a very nice game. I mean, it's kind of cool. I come here with my friends. We have some nice drinks and we play here. And I'm a big fan of ping pong. I'm a big fan of ping pong. So I have a friend of mine that he's here. He's in the other floor. He's a good ping pong player too. I have to be honest with you. He's very good. So I play with him. He's been with me for almost 3 weeks already, right? So yeah, we've been training a lot. He's good and I like playing too. So we have fun here. This is the theater. Right here. Hey, there you go. And you see the lights over there. You have the feeling of being looking to the stars. Here's where I see a bunch of Netflix, a bunch of TV shows. It's one of my favorite places in the house, for sure. Just so cozy. It's nice. I have some of my favorite movies here. This for sure is one of my favorite ones. El Cantante Héctor Lavoe with Jennifer Lopez. And it's crazy because I see it and I just realized that I did a movie with Jennifer Lopez and Owen Wilson, and that movie is gonna be here, and I watched my movie just right there. So that's Very cool. We're going outside. I'm gonna show you the pool area. This is nice. I like it because the weather is so good now. It's not that cold. So you see, I'm gonna show you my girlfriend. This quite. Her name is Mireya. Hi Mireya, how are you? Oh, you speak English? ¿Cómo está Mireya? Why so quiet? We're good. We're recording. Open your eyes, girl. This is Mireya. Another sculpture that I have here. She got here like 6 months ago, and I've been spending some time with her. Now that I'm here, I try to spend a lot of time in different activities. Like I still go out and do the barbecues, right? This is a very nice method that you put the meat inside for a long time. It's called barril, barrel. So yeah, I still go out and when we're cooking here in the barbecue, we spend some time in the jacuzzi, trying to enjoy my house as much as I can. But I wanna show you two guys that I really love. These are Bonnie and Clyde. Hello AD, I hope you guys enjoyed this little tour through my house. I hope you guys stay at home. Que chimbas quedarse en casa. It's cool staying at home, okay? Maluma baby, love you guys.